Hi, I'm Briannity, and if you'd like to learn how I did my makeup for my Cortana cosplay, please keep on watching. Alright, so let's just jump right into it. So the first thing you're going to do is coat your face with blue body paint. The paint that I'm using is Paradise body paint in light blue, and I will be sure to link everything below. You'll see that I am doing this crisscross technique. This is something I learned from Made You Look by Lex. I'm still very amateur at painting my face with body paint, but I think it does the trick. First step's easy. Basically, you're just going to coat your entire face with that blue paint, and make sure that you do get to your neck as much as you would need to for the suit that you're wearing, just so that none of your real skin color is showing on the neck. And of course, be sure to get your ears, just in case. Beautiful. Now the next thing is eyebrows, and I am using a Morphe X Jeffree Star brush. This one is JS7, and then the Jeffree Star Jawbreaker palette. For the color, I used the shade Delicious, and I just did my brows the way I normally would. To start with the eyes, I used the shade Brain Freeze to set up a base for my eyelids. This color matches the rest of the face. And then I went in with the shade Soaked to fill in the outer corners of the eye. I am using a Morphe X Jeffree Star JS6 brush to this, by the way. I went ahead and took my JS12 brush to fill in the bottom eyeshadow with the same color. Now to darken the outer corner, I went ahead with the same shade that we used for our eyebrows, Delicious, from the Jawbreaker palette, to fill in the outer corners and make them darker. Now to fill in the lower lash line, I went ahead and used my NYX eyeliner in white and just slapped that on the lash line. For top eyeliner, I went in with my House Laboratories liquid eyeliner in Punk by Lady Gaga. This is my favorite eyeliner, by the way. And yes, I did go ahead and make a wing. Up to you if you want. I love wings. I did also go ahead and darken under the bottom lash line with my Jeffree Star lip liner in Weirdo. I use this for eyeliner all the time, by the way. Next up, you just slap on some mascara and your favorite eyelashes. Oh, and of course, don't forget to put mascara on the bottom lashes as well. Now, I don't know about you, but I personally do not have a blue contour shade, so I went in with our Jawbreaker palette by Jeffree Star, and one of the same colors that we used for our eyelids. This one is Soaked, and I just went in for the contour using that color. If you're like me, one side is always better than the other. But we do our best. And if you too do not have an actual jawline, then you can definitely fake one, like I always do, with the same shade. Don't forget that nose contour. Now for highlight, I'm using the Jeffree Star Skin Frost palette Platinum Ice in shade Ice Cold. And then be sure to highlight wherever else you normally would. I usually do my nose and the top part of my lips, sometimes my chin, and the middle of my eyebrows, whatever you call that area. Oh, and of course, underneath the brow bone. For lips, if you do have a dark blue shade, that would be amazing. Me personally, I do not. So I am using Jeffree Star's Liquid Lip in shade Christmas Cookie for a base. And then from the Jawbreaker palette, I went ahead and put the shade Delicious in as my lip color. Up to you if you would like to add some gloss. I am using the NYX Filler Instinct. Now all you need is your wig, and voila! You are now ready to put on that Cortana suit and rock your cosplay. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please leave a like and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram and show me your own look at Brianity. Bye-bye!